Thanks for stopping by. Today I thought we would unbox this box I got from Craft Buddy. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you'll soon find out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yes, I am still on the bandwagon. And we'll see what we got in here. What is it? What could it be? Oh, we got a catalog. Nice. Let's see. Let me look at the catalog real quick. Huh. Oh, well, this is neat. I'll show it to you here in just a second. But look, guys, I got more stickers. Yay! Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages of stickers to go through today. Are you excited? So for those who don't know, Craft Buddy is a UK-based shop, and they are licensed to sell these crystal art stickers. You can purchase the stickers on their own. They come in a 3-pack. Or you can also purchase this sticker album. And so what you do is you get the sticker album, and it comes with 2 packs of the stickers or 6 of them. And then you just go and you do your stickers, and then you put them in the place where they show you to put them in. Sorry for the glare. So the first round, I purchased the sticker book with the 2 stickers, and then I bought 5 more packs of stickers, and of those, that would have been, 7 stickers, 21 stickers total. I got 2 duplicates, which, I don't think that's terrible. Would prefer to have 0 duplicates, but I also realize the more stickers you buy, the more you're going to have duplicates. So let's open up these packs and see what stickers we get. Real quick, if you would like to see a completed sticker, here's one right here. This is Yoda. And that's a completed sticker. And here's one too. This is Belle. And I'll be doing a whip and chat in a couple of weeks or so. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to put the stickers in the sticker book. So I thought that might be fun. So, tell you what, I am going to open these up, and then I'll come back and we can finish this video. Give me just a few minutes. Okay, I got that all opened, and before we go through here, let's take a look at the catalog real quick. It just has the Craft Buddy catalog, and it tells you, it gives you some of the things that they have on sale, or for sale. Like this, the Buddy series these look like they're little stand-ups. And, oh, look at these. I love nutcrackers. Little stand-up nutcrackers. I may have to get me a set of those. That would be fun to do. And then the crystal art they have here. That Santa's cute. and some more crystal art. So anywho, that is the thing we got. Interesting. Look, it says, okay, see, coming soon. Are they going to be, looks like they're partnering, maybe getting some Harry Potter stuff, DC, Warner Brothers. Very interesting. I wonder what that's all about. So anyway, let's get back to our stickers. Like I said, the first round I bought 5 stickers in the sticker book, so that gave me 7 packages or 21 stickers, and I had 2 duplicates. In this round I bought 7 packages because I didn't need the sticker book. I already have the sticker book. And with Craft Buddy, you have to watch the shipping, because shipping to the United States, of course, shipping anywhere is expensive, but shipping to the United States goes by weight. And so I played around and I found that if you buy the sticker book, you can only get 5 sets of stickers, and you can get that for $7. Or you can get 7 packs of stickers for the $7. So, and if I put like 8, then the shipping went up to $17 or $18. So, that's the reason why I bought that way. I don't know if they still have it now, but, and earlier you could only buy 10 packs of stickers, so it wasn't worth the, extra money, for shipping to only get 3 more stickers. They may have, redone that now, because I'm seeing that the stickers aren't going out of stock as quickly as they used to. So, you know, you may be able to buy more. Anywho, let's go ahead and open up these stickers and see what we got. Okay, so here is the first one, and the color palette. Let me see. Is that better? Maybe. There's a lot of glare. Let me see here. Yeah, I guess that's better. Maybe a little bit. Anywho, I have no idea who this is. So let's turn it over. Oh, it's Mickey. I don't have Mickey. I have Minnie, but I don't have Mickey. Yay! Oops. I saw this one. Did you see it? Yeah, it's Captain Hook. I don't have Captain Hook either. Nice. Not a bad. Gosh, I'm terrible at this. I don't know who this is. I guess I could look and see, but I'm not going to. So, anyway, here's that dude. All right, I didn't have any of these, so we're starting strong. Set them over to the side here. Okay, this next one, let's see what we got. Pull that out. Here's the color palette for that. Oh, it's Olaf. Nice. Sweet, I don't have Olaf. These stickers, maybe you can see it better that way. Princess Leia, I do have her. So there's one duplicate already. You can see who this one is, can't you? It's Mike. Nice. I don't have him either. Let me try to... All right. So far, so good. There's colors on that one. Oh, is that BB-8? Isn't that its name? Nice. I don't have that one. It's Anna. I have Anna. Oh, this is pretty colors. Look at that. I don't know who that is. Oh, it's Jasmine. I don't have Jasmine. Nice. Oops. Sorry for moving you. Okay. Let's continue. The color palette. Who do you think that is? Yeah, me neither. Oh, it's the Aristocats. I don't have those. Perfect. Is this one? Oh, who's that? The Star Wars character. Poe, is that his name? I have him. This is cute. Oh. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't have them. I'm sure you guys watching this is like, that's so-and-so, and that's so-and-so. How can you not know these people? And I'm like, yeah, I just don't. I just don't. I'm sorry. So, oops. I think if I had better eyesight, I would have seen who these are, but I don't have good enough eyesight. So, there's that. It's Cinderella. I don't think I have Cinderella. I have Sleeping Beauty and Belle, but I don't have Cinderella. I'll have to look here when we get through. There's that one. Oh, I do not have Eeyore. Love him. I'm a sucker for the Pooh characters. I love them. There's the color palette on that one. And Merida? Merida. I don't have her. Perfect. Okay. 2 more packs to go, guys, and then we can tally up and see. Well, so far though, unless these are all duplicates, I'm very happy with my purchase. It's the colors there. Oh, it's that Poe guy again. Yeah, another duplicate. I got him like 3 times now. Oh, this is pretty. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one because I would remember, surely. Look. Oh my gosh. Love it. Don't have it. Oh. I don't think I have this one either. Nice. Okay, so last package. Let's make them good. No duplicates. Let's go. It's Belle. I have Belle. Here's that one. Another Olaf. Alright, let's end strong. Let's end strong. Oh, okay. I don't have them, so perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to put these in my book, spread these out, and we can see what we got. So give me just a few minutes, guys. Okay, here they are. These are all the ones that I got that were new, no duplicates. I did have 6 that were duplicates. Sorry for the shaking. I'm holding this and, well, I'm old, so, you know. But, you know, all in all, not bad. I'm kind of disappointed that basically two packs full of the 7 were duplicates. But, you know, that is the name of the game whenever you do things like this. I think I will go ahead and get one more pack or one more box, and after that we'll see where we're at on duplicates, and it may be to the point where it's not worth it for me to continue. I am not the type of a person who has to have a completed set of things, luckily. So, you know, Craft Buddy does give you the option if you want to just purchase one of them. They're $3.99 in UK money. So it's like, what, 4 1/4, I think. Or you can get a pack of 3 for the same price. So, but like I said, I'll do it one more time, and then we'll see where we're at. If I get more duplicates than I get new ones, then I may decide to stop. But so far, I'm having a good time, and I'll continue until I think it's a waste of money. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up, maybe a comment. That would be great. Subscribe if you would like. You know, all those YouTubey things. Anyway, thanks. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.